Okay, so for this lesson, we are working on graphing a line when we are given the slope and the y-intercept. So if you remember back to last lesson, 7.4, we worked on locating the y-intercept. And right now our y-intercept is -3. So if you remember, our y-intercept is actually a point, and since it is always on the y-axis, right here going vertically, that means that our zero coordinate or our zero value for the coordinate point is always 0. So coming over here, our point is technically 0, -3. And that's our y-intercept point. And so if it's easier for you to view it this way rather than as a -3, then just remember, you can always rewrite your y-intercept in a coordinate point, and your x value is always 0. So now we're going to graph this point, 0, -3. So we're at 0 for the x value. We're going to go down -3 for the y value. Okay, so now our next thing that we're given is our slope. And our slope is 3, and if you like referring to rise over run, then it's going to be 3/1 is our slope. So let's see, using the drawing tool, I want to show you guys the rise over run. So if we're rising by 3, from this point right here, we're going up 1, 2, 3, right? So right now we're at the origin, and then our run, since it's 3/1, our run is 1. So from here I'm going to go over 1, and our new point is going to be at 1, 0. Okay? So now that we have our 2 points on our graph, we're able to graph a line, right? Since 2 points define a line. So let's go ahead and graph this line. Okay, and also remember this isn't where it ends, it's actually never ending, so that's why we draw the arrows. And so now, when we're given our slope and y-intercept, we are able to graph a line, and this is what it looks like. Again, we have a positive slope, so our line is going up and to the right.